Well, thank you all for being here today. I'm going to be talking a lot about immune and mood boosting foods today. So this session in particular is all about food and mood, so that connection between what we eat and how it makes us feel. The first recipe we're making is a coconut poached salmon recipe. And this is just filled with so many beautiful anti-inflammatory flavors and ingredients. Now, a little tip with cooking with turmeric is it needs to be activated. So the active ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin, and to activate that we need something like black pepper. So when you're using turmeric in your dishes, pop a little bit of black pepper in there, a little bit of coconut oil. That's going to activate that curcumin, which is going to release those anti-inflammatory benefits. I've got some ginger here. Ginger, of course, it's known for its beautiful flavor, adds some heat to the dish as well, but it's, again, highly anti-inflammatory, and it's really great for your gut health as well. So it supports that digestive process, and that's going to kind of make up our paste. So lots of beautiful aromatic ingredients in this one. If you are using a lime or a lemon or an orange, all the flavor, all that oil is in the zest, so make sure you use the zest as well as the juice, so you'll get a lot more of that flavor from it. I love doing it like this because I feel like it really releases those flavors. I feel like a lot of people think if you want to be healthy you have to have boring food, but that's absolutely not the case at all. Diversity comes from utilizing so many different ingredients. I'm just gonna get that in there, and we're just gonna fry it off. Now, one of the questions I often get is, if I cook my food, does it lose all its nutritional values? And absolutely not the case. If you are cooking something at extremely high temperatures, yes, you're gonna lose a lot of those great benefits of it. But if you're slightly just frying something off, you're releasing those beautiful aromas, it's not going to have that same impact. Now, this is kind of like the hero of our dish today. Salmon is really rich in your omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are kind of like a superhero when it comes to your brain health. So whether you're looking at supporting your cognitive function, you're looking at just, nourishing your brain, and really, looking for that longevity as well. So I'm just going to flip this over because I don't want it to cook too much. And the skin is nice and crispy. I'll see if you guys can see that. It's got a nice little crust on it, but not too much. And that's it. That's our beautiful mood boosting salmon dish. Very simple, very easy, homemade curry sauce. Using lots of aromatic ingredients that are anti-inflammatory, great for your gut, are going to support that gut-brain connection, really reduce that inflammation in the body, which in turn supports our mood. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you.